Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Lady Gaga. Million Reasons. Come on. Alright, we're in standard tuning. And we don't have any bar chords, so this could work for beginners. Alright, so let's talk about the chords. We got C major, song is in C major. 1, 2, 3. A minor, 1, 2, 3. F major, I play F like this, first fret, second, 3, 3, and G major. So that's the chords for the verses. Here comes the chorus. That was the verse. Here comes the chorus. Same chords, different order. Start with F. F to C, A minor to G. We're gonna do this 2 times. F to C, A minor to G. Third time is different. C. Do another verse. I do a little picking when I play this too. I go pick, strum, pick, down, strum, da 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 da. Pick, strum, pick, strum, down, down. Chorus. F major, C, A minor to G. F to C, A minor to G. F major, C, this time G to A minor. Alright, that's gonna take us to the bridge, so let's call that part number 3. That's A, F, C, G, A minor, C, G. Now, third time different. F and C, G, A minor, F. It's gonna take us to the last chorus. Cool. So let's review before we end the lesson. This simple song, but really good. Verses: C, A minor, F, G. Never changes. Same thing. Chorus: F, C, A minor, G. 2 times. F, C, A minor, G. Third time F, C, G major, A minor, and end on F. Same thing every time. And then bridge, part number 3. A minor, F, C, G. A minor, F, C, G. And then third time F, C, G major, A minor, and on F. Cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Be safe. See you tomorrow for more awesome music.